My name is Charlie Long. I'm 20 years old and I'm a sophomore at Georgetown University in Washington, D.C. Growing up, my main sport was definitely soccer. I played competitively for 14 years. I played club soccer in the area. I played on the Massachusetts ODP team. Both of those required a fair amount of travel around the country. And then I played my high school soccer at St. John's High School in Shrewsbury, Massachusetts. At St. John's, we had a great team. We won the 2007 Division I state championship here in Massachusetts. And individually, I was the captain my junior and senior year. And I was an Adidas All-State selection my junior year and a ESPN All-Area selection my sophomore, junior, and senior year. My senior season, I'd been having some issues with pain and problems in the hip area, and I found out that after an MRI arthrogram that I had a tear in my labrum and that I would need to have surgery. I had surgery with Dr. Brian Visconi, who's at UMass, and the surgery went great, but about a year and a half after, I started having some residual pain in the SI joint and in that hip capsule, and I was just really in a lot of pain and looking to get back and get healthy. I was referred to Farzin and Feiz Muscular Therapy and Fitness by my primary care physician who noticed that I just was in a lot of pain and wasn't getting better. I had seen at that point an osteopath, a chiropractor, a couple specialists on back and hips, and I'd had multiple injections in the area, and none of those options had helped get me back. My physician felt that Farzin would offer an approach that was a little bit out of the box, but it was something that would combine different elements, personal training, massage, flexibility, stretching, nutrition, to really take a whole body approach and try and see if we could make a difference and get me back to being healthy. My experience with Farzin has been great. About 2 weeks after I started seeing him, I was able to get back to doing things that you should be able to do without pain. Subtle things like sitting, sleeping right, getting back to lightly jogging. These were things that I hadn't been able to do for months. And he used this approach that really looked at my body and got me back to where I wanted to be. I've been through so many other areas that I can confidently say that in Central Mass, I really don't think that there's somebody like Farzin, or at least who offers what Farzin does, from the personal training standpoint, from the flexibility standpoint, the deep tissue work, things that you may be able to get in individual areas, but all in one treatment in one area. I don't think that you can really find that in other places in Central Mass. I'd highly recommend Farzin if you're looking to just get better, get healthy, and maybe you've tried treatment and ideas that are a little more conventional and just haven't worked. Yeah, he's one of the best around, and he's made a huge difference in my life.